Baby, let me be loving teddy bear. Put a chain around my neck, lead me anywhere. Oh, let me be yo, teddy bear. I don't wanna be a tiger, 'cause tigers plays too rough. I don't wanna be a lion, 'cause lions ain't the kind you love and know. I just wanna be your teddy bear. Put a chain around my neck and lead me anywhere. Oh, let me be yo, teddy bear. I just wanna be around you every night. Round your fingers through my hair and cuddle me real tight. Oh, let me be yo, teddy bear. I don't wanna be a tiger, 'cause tigers plays too rough. I don't wanna be a lion, 'cause lions ain't the kind you love and know. I just wanna be your teddy bear. Put a chain around my neck and lead me anywhere. Oh, let me be yo, teddy bear. Oh, let me be your teddy bear. I just wanna be your teddy bear. Thank you very much.
Bon dia a tothom. Abans de continuar ens presentem molt ràpidament. Nosaltres som Forgami, com ja ha dit en Miquel. Però volem destacar que tenim avui amb nosaltres en Joan, que normalment no ens acompanya perquè el nostre baix és un altre, però no pot estar avui amb nosaltres, i volem donar-li les gràcies per haver volgut compartir aquesta estona amb nosaltres. Per tant, un aplaudiment per en Joan. Gràcies. I res, nosaltres farem aquí un mini concert. Gràcies també a l'equip de Boo Sessions per convidar-nos i per confiar en nosaltres per formar part d'aquestes sessions. I gràcies també al públic, com no, per voler venir-nos a escoltar i passar aquesta estona amb nosaltres. Acabem de fer un tema d'Elvis Presley, que ja ens ha intentat seduir una mica, no sabem si ha funcionat, però a continuació continuarem amb un altre hit que segur que tots coneixeu també dels Beatles, que és el Blackbird. I res, només desitjar que vosaltres disfruteu tant dels temes que farem com nosaltres ho farem cantant, així que Blackbird. Bum 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 Blackbird singing in the dead of night. Take these broken wings and learn to fly. Hold your breath. You are only waiting for this moment to arrive. Blackbird singing in the dead of night. Take these sunken eyes and learn to see. Hold your breath. You are only waiting for this moment to be free. Fly, but fly. Into the light of the dark light. Blackbird fly, blackbird fly, into the light of the dark light.
singing in the dead of night. Take these broken wings and learn to fly all your life. You were only waiting for this moment to arise. You were only waiting for this moment to arise. You were only waiting for this moment to arise. Bueno, i seguidament, després d'aquest tema dels Beatles, Blackbird, seguirem amb una cançó que ens agrada molt cantar, de Disney, que és la Go the Distance, de la pel·lícula Hèrcules, i ens agrada molt perquè, bueno, ens motivem molt en aquesta peça.
I no ens oblidem del missatge d'aquesta peça, que per això també ens agrada molt, que és quan no saps on estàs i no saps quin lloc et trobes, sempre hi ha un camí a seguir i un lloc on arribaràs i on seràs tu. No sé com dir-ho. Algo així, no?
Sí.
I és molt maco.
Doncs, Go the Distance.
I have often dreamed of a far-off place where a great warm welcome will be waiting for me, and the crowds will cheer when they see my face, and a voice keeps saying, "This is where I'm meant to be." I will find my way. I can go the distance. I'll be there someday. If I can be strong, I know every mile will be worth my while. When I go the distance, I'll be right where I belong. Belong, do 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 do. Belong, do 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 do. I'll be where I belong. Down an unknown road to embrace my fate. Though that road may wander, it will lead me to you. And 1,000 years there will be worth the wait. It may take a lifetime, but somehow I'll see it through. I will find my way. I'll be there someday. If I can be strong, I know every mile will be worth my while. When I go the distance, I'll be right where I belong. Where I belong. To look beyond the glory is the hardest part. For a hero's strength is measured by his heart. His heart. Now by his heart. I will beat the odds, and maybe I can go the distance. I will face before the world, and I'll be fearless, proud and strong. I will please my God. I can go the distance till I find my heroes. Welcome right, I'll find it right there where I belong. You know every mile will be worth my while. I'll be right
Bé, abans de que la Gemma
molt ràpides.
ens presenti l'última cançó, jo volia parlar una mica de què som, que som un quartet. Som un quartet barbershop, i per qui no sàpiga quin estil és, el barbershop doncs, es va originar a les Amèriques a meitats del segle XX, a les barberies, i a partir d'aquí doncs, a les barberies d'homes van començar a cantar i a crear unes harmonies a partir d'uns estàndards de jazz o blues, no? O podríem dir espirituals negres també, i a partir d'aquí doncs, van anar sortint aquest estil i a cantar doncs, amb veus, després van sortir quartets d'homes, després va sortir quartets femenins, i cap al final doncs, també el quartet mixte, que és el que som nosaltres, i bé, estem nosaltres especialitzats en aquest estil, que ens agrada molt i ens dona molta riquesa harmònica i ens fa créixer com a grup, i res més, això.
Doncs per acabar ja aquesta sessió, esperem que us hagi agradat molt. Un altre cop donar les gràcies, no volem marxar sense repetir-ho, als que ens han convidat, als que ens estan escoltant i els que estem cantant junts també, que al final això és com una família. I anem a fer, per acabar, un espiritual negre molt conegut, com diu en Iago, que els orígens estan basats en això, i en aquest cas és Joshua Fit the Battle of Jericho.
I si us heu quedat amb més ganes d'escoltar-nos, doncs podeu seguir-nos a les xarxes socials, Instagram, YouTube, que ja tenim molts videoclips, o per si teniu més ganes d'escoltar la nostra música, doncs allà ens hi trobareu. Joshua Fit the Battle of Jericho. Joshua fit the battle of Jericho, Jericho, Jericho. Joshua fit the battle of Jericho when the walls came tumbling down. Joshua fit the battle of Jericho, Jericho, Jericho. Joshua fit the battle of Jericho when the walls came tumbling down. Joshua fit the battle of Jericho, Jericho, Jericho. Joshua fit the battle of Jericho and the walls came tumbling down. Joshua fit the battle of Jericho, Jericho, Jericho. Joshua fit the battle of Jericho and the walls came tumbling down. You may talk about the king of Gideon, you may talk about a man of Saul, but there's no like good of Joshua at the battle of Jericho. It's so, the battle of Jericho. Now mighty were the walls around Jericho, around Jericho, around Jericho. So very mighty were the walls around Jericho when the walls came tumbling down. Oh yes, and the walls came a tumbling, tumbling, tumbling. The walls came a tumbling down. The mighty walls came tumbling down.
Let me tell you about the battle of Jericho, 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 Jericho,
In the morning there was Jericho, Jericho, Jericho. Yes, it was early in the morning there was Jericho. God's children gathered round.
Early in the morning there was Jericho,
All the children around Jericho, around Jericho, around
Joshua led the children
Jericho,
around Jericho,
around Jericho, around Jericho.
Well,
Joshua led the children around Jericho. 7 times they marched around. 7 times they marched around Jericho, Jericho, Jericho. 7 times they marched around Jericho. Then a hush fell all around. Yeah, the children made not a sound. And then up to the walls of Jericho they marched with spear in hand. Go blow them ramrod, Joshua cried, 'cause the battle am in my hand. And then the ramsey horns began to blow, and the trumpets began to sound. Oh, Joshua commanded all the children to shout. He said, shout, shout, shout! And the walls came tumbling down, the walls came tumbling down. Joshua fit the battle of Jericho, around Jericho, Jericho. Yeah, Joshua fit the battle of Jericho, and the walls came tumbling down. Joshua fit the battle of Jericho, Jericho. What a morning when Joshua fit the battle of Jericho, and the walls came a tumbling, tumbling, tumbling. The mighty walls around Jericho came down. Those mighty walls came down, tumbling down.
Let me tell you
Those walls came tumbling down.